Hi, I'm Ehsan from Bengaluru Property. Today we are in Nagarbhavi BDA layout. We are looking at a luxurious triplex 4 BHK house built on BDA 30 by 40 west facing plot. Ground floor main house starts. 4 BHK triplex house. So this is main entrance facing north. Living room. Spacious living. Entire house has Italian marble flooring. Separate dining space with Pooja room, crockery unit. This is Pooja room. West facing Pooja room. Luxurious interiors. This is kitchen. Italian kitchen. Lots of storage. Kitchen has darker granite flooring. Rest of the house has Italian marble flooring. Granite platform. Lots of stainless steel baskets. Adjacent utility space. Below this in stilt floor, which is actually ground level, road level stilt floor, about 4 cars can be parked, and there is a servant toilet. On this ground floor, this is a common bathroom. It has an Indian style toilet which can be converted to Western style if required. All teak wood has been used, all the doors, windows, even for bathroom also teak wood door is provided. So this is first bedroom on ground floor. Wardrobes and dressing with loft, storage loft. Now let's go to first floor. It has a central wide staircase with stainless steel and glass railing. And there is a space given in the center of the staircase where, if required, glass lift can be accommodated. You can install an elevator, glass elevator, internal elevator. Now we are on first floor. First floor has a family hall and 2 spacious bedrooms. So this is second bedroom. Full wall-to-wall wardrobes, complete veneer polish shutters for the cupboards. It's a dressing area. TV unit, wall-mounted TV unit. Wooden false ceiling. And this is attached bathroom. Even for bathrooms, anti-skid granite flooring is given. Premium branded high quality bathroom fittings. Full wall tiles. Now this is third bedroom. First floor has just 2 bedrooms and family hall. Wooden false ceiling. Mix of wooden and POP false ceiling with LED spotlights. So this is actually master bedroom, roadside facing, as per Vaastu in southwest corner. Along with attached bathroom, there is a balcony. This is a walk-in closet, dressing area. Now let's go to second floor. Marble pebbles in the corner. a brand new house, 1200 square feet of land area. Almost more than 4500 square feet of super built up area. So that was central skylight, glowing natural light in the center of staircase. It goes all the way to the dining space. This is fourth bedroom. We are on second floor. Second floor, fourth bedroom. Full wardrobes, dressing. Now this is the home theater. It has wooden flooring. All the wiring for projector, screen and sound system is provided. It has only two small windows for giving the audio effect. It also has an attached bathroom. In case if you don't need home theater, this could be your fifth bedroom. Attached balcony. And small portion of this floor is given as open terrace area, but again it is covered with terracotta roofing. Small ladder going upstairs. So this is the full staircase view. Please go through the description below the video for all the details. Thank you for watching this video. So this is the parking space, and do subscribe our channel for latest property videos from Bangalore. Thank you.